Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete advertising ID to remove personalized ads on your Samsung Android phone. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on privacy. Next, go down to the bottom and tap on ads. In here, tap on delete advertising ID. And so that this deletes your current advertising ID. Apps can still show you ads, but they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. Apps use the device advertising ID to show you personalized ads. When you lose personalization, it means you have less control over the type of ads you see. And so if you are sure, you can tap on the delete advertising ID. And that's it. So if you want to have more relevant ads in the future, you can tap on get new advertising ID so that your ads will be more personalized to your taste. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.